The protection of connecting plug of centrifugal nozzle. During operation, improper use can easily cause the motor connector plug of the centrifugal nozzle and the interface on the spraying hub board to be loose, which leads to water vapor entering, triggers short-circuit protection, and causes the centrifugal nozzle to fail to rotate normally. The appearing phenomenon is that centrifugal nozzles can be used at the start but stop working after a while and cannot be solved by restarting the aircraft. If put it there for a while, the centrifugal nozzles will be normal again. Steps. Use insulating waterproof materials like waterproof insulating adhesive or heat shrink tube to wrap the connection line of the centrifugal nozzle motor and the connection line on the spraying hub to prevent water vapor from entering. Apply waterproof silicone gel to the inlet and outlet of the wire harness terminal to prevent short circuit caused by bending of the wire harness, which leads to water intake. When applying waterproof silicone, apply it thick enough and let it dry for 24 hours. Check whether the sealing rubber ring on the spraying and spreading bus is intact. If it is damaged or lost, replace it in time. Upgrade of electronic speed controller. The FP600 ESC electronic speed controller has been upgraded for many times, and the new version has been greatly improved in safety and stability. If the ESC is burned or the motor cannot be started when lock or unlock, it is necessary to check the ESC firmware version and update it at the first time to ensure that the switch firmware version is 5.19 and above. Steps. Start Agri Assistant app, tap devices in the right. Slide down to check the electronic speed controller. The FP600 version is 5.19 and above. Processing of consignal line of centrifugal nozzle. FP600 might have these alarms because of signal interference. The communication is abnormal. The centrifugal nozzle is short circuit and the centrifugal nozzle cannot rotate normally. During this situation, we need to process the consignal line. Steps. The lines that need to be processed are 2 front centrifugal hub lines, 2 rear centrifugal connecting lines. You can refer to the line mark as shown in the picture. To solve the CAN communication anomaly caused by interference between devices, turn the pin interface towards yourself and use pliers to cut off the upper and lower pins on the left side when the interface is raised upward. Outlet of centrifugal nozzles. If water pipe burst or pump became significantly hot during the operation, it is necessary to check whether the pneumatic connector of the FP600 batch needs to be replaced. The early batch of pneumatic connectors are shown in the picture, and the characteristics are: the early pneumatic joint number is SNS. The body is long, a rubber gasket inside, the outlet is small, and the internal rubber gasket is easily corroded and expanded for a long time use, resulting in the liquid not being ejected, causing the pump to burst at high temperature. The upgraded pneumatic connectors are shown in the picture, and the difference is: the upgraded pneumatic joint is numbered LAIs, with a shorter body and no gasket through the interior, so that any agent is not easy to block.